Hi parents, I wanted to go through this big packet of papers that's coming home with your child today, just so you can kind of see what we've got going on for the next few weeks of remote learning. So the first section of blue papers, they're all about doing reading and writing and math at home. So it talks about telling and retelling and understanding and becoming a reader, different things that you can read at home, things to remember about writing at home, how to build a writer at home, purposeful ways to write and draw. Here is all about math at home, fun activities to try, using hands-on materials at home for counting and measuring and sorting. Here's learning about letters at home, even activities for the bathtub, fine motor activities at home, and your child's OT therapist, if they have one, will go over lots of these activities during their sessions. Cutting, water play, all important fun things to do at home. Here's basic recipes, and we'll be doing a couple of these throughout the weeks. If your child has speech, and even if your child doesn't do speech, these are awesome speech and language strategies that you can do. If your child is extra wiggly at home and you need to do some movement, here's some awesome yoga that they can do, Christmas themed. It shows you all about how to do all the moves. There's your alphabet linking cards. There's your number cards, 1 to 10, and then all the way to 20. A feelings chart. This is really important as we learn all about social emotional learning and identifying our feelings. There's some more Play-Doh recipes. Oops, upside down. Science play. More science stuff. More upside down. Here's just some more science activities that you guys can do at home, and I'll do some of these on video as well. Here is make and trace the lines. Here's for tracing numbers, tracing letters. If you have plastic sleeves at home, these are great to stick in there and use the dry erase marker to trace, and then you can wipe off and do them again. I am sending a dry erase marker home in your child's bag. Tracing shapes. Here's the alphabet. Here are the SMART activities that we'll be doing. You'll notice on your child's weekly calendar that there will be a SMART activity each day. So this just kind of goes through and tells you exactly what that gross motor movement should look like. These light yellow pieces of paper, these are all of the nursery rhymes that go with our Haggerty activities. There's these. Here's a color sorting map, so we'll practice color sorting. We'll practice sorting by color in a couple of our sessions, but this is great if you need an activity. Just grab some toys, have them sort by all their colors. This green and pink paper, they're super similar, but they are all about how to hold my crayon and how to hold my pencil. Just talking about correct writing grasp. You're gonna have alphabet yoga cards. Now yours are all cut up in a ring, but again, if you have a very wiggly child and you need some indoor movement activities, these yoga cards are awesome. There's a yoga pose for every single letter in the alphabet. And the other thing that you'll have in there is the pieces for Matman. So as we learn how to draw a person, Matman is what we teach, and there's a little outline of him in there so that you can see what we're working with. And then these are the pieces to go with our Handwriting Without Tears activities. And I believe this is something that you will work on if your child has an OT therapist. And if not, we will work on it during a live session. So all the big lines and little lines, big curves and little curves. And then we'll use this little paper and we'll build our letters on here. Hopefully all of that makes sense. And if it doesn't, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. You can text me, email me, reach out to me through Facebook, and let me know if you have any questions.